So now we're going to make Japanese ramen.
And udon. This is ramen.
This udon.
Yes, let's make. It's a frozen one,
I
Minato.
want to eat udon first.
Udon first. Okay, let's open. Let's see how to make. It says no need to add water. Really? Just microwave or what? No need to add any water. Just boil for 7 minutes. Then can eat already. That's so easy.
Like that.
Wow,
Wow, very icy.
it's a frozen one. What? We need to, take out the plastic.
Look that thing.
Wow. Look, it's like this. Oh, wait.
And bounce.
This is the soup part. This is the
I
soup.
find the soup.
Yeah, wow, it's like this.
Yummy.
Put your head.
Oh no. Wait.
Smell me.
Now we are gonna boil this and wait for 7 minutes.
Oh, it's very cute.
What's that?
I don't know.
Is it a star?
No.
No, I think it's a leaf.
Looks like so squishy.
Okay, nice.
Mm.
Okay, this is udon. Kyofu udon. Kyoto style udon.
Yummy. Yummy.
Minato, now we are making. This is ramen. Let's open. Minato, look, the ramen got this.
Let me try.
It's a soup and the seaweed.
Seaweed.
Yes. Okay, so now we are gonna make ramen also. The noodle is still hard. We need to wait a bit more. It looks so good and the smell so nice. Tonkotsu smell. Now our ramen is ready. Yokohama tonkotsu ramen. Minato is putting the seaweed. Wow, cannot see the noodle. What's the noodle? Wow, it looks like the real restaurant ramen. You blow, it's hot. Blow.
Wait, I cannot think. So long.
Yeah. You okay? How is it? You eat like that? Noodle itself is so real. It's like the noodle from the ramen restaurant, not from the not just the instant noodle. It's very thick.
Ramen must go in or I know noodle.
Very nice. They also got the chashu. This chashu. Minato wants to eat this now. I give you.
I like ramen and udon. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.